Now, Singapore's labour productivity fell by 0.4% in the fourth quarter of 2011. However, the Manpower Ministry says for the whole of last year, overall labour productivity rose by 1%. The figure is in sharp contrast to the 11% jump recorded in 2010. Saiful Bari Ismail with more.
Singapore's economy slowed to 4.8% last year. Employment creation remained strong, causing a significant swing in labour productivity.
Singapore has set itself a target to achieve productivity growth of 2 to 3% over 10 years. Now, even though labour productivity has only managed to improve slightly last year, labour economists say this will not affect the country's long-term productivity target.
By itself, this dip doesn't actually mean that we will not be able to achieve our long-term growth target. In fact, there are other factors in the report which indicate that we could be on track to achieve quite stable performance in the labour market over the coming years, such as our improving real unit labour costs against competing manufacturing countries. What is needed, I think, in the long run is to actually reduce our dependence on manpower as the primary source of driving growth in the coming years, and to focus more on improving productivity performance.
Workers are also earning more last year. Real wages rose slightly by 0.7%, much less than the 2.7% rise in 2010. Wage pressure from job seekers is expected to continue amid a tight labour market.
At the moment, where there are still such a high number of positions, the unemployment rate is still very, very low, and job seekers know that they've still got quite a few options, and that's keeping that wage pressure high. Good for the employees, not always great for the employers, but we are going to see that continue, I think, for a short time longer.
Singapore's unemployment rate also improved to a 14-year low. For the whole of 2011, the unemployment rate averaged 2%. More workers were also made redundant. Nearly 10,000 were laid off, slightly higher than the 9,800 in 2010.